Greetings, this is Robbie Rob from Robbie Rob's Greenhouse. This is my 2-week update on my greenhouse. Broad overview again. My cherry tomato plant that was attacked by 2 hornworms is coming back nicely. This fertilizing period I gave it some nitrogen and a balanced formula with nitrogen. And she seems to be coming back. Leaves are coming back. It was stripped bare. If you can look at my other videos, you can see how it was stripped bare. I replanted my pothos plant in a bigger pot. It was, you pour water in, water just shot right through. And the same with my heart-shaped philodendron, replanted in a bigger pot. And this was my big pothos, and I replanted that one in a bigger pot. So I'm looking forward to seeing how they do. There's my parsley, and this was the Chinese basil that had broken off and was really looking bad. If you look at my other videos, it was in our nursery, but as you can see, it's coming back nicely. Alright, and as we go to my nursery, you'll see I just planted these on the 11th. And today's the 15th, and there's my collard greens and my cauliflower are already started to appear. So I'm gonna start my plant grow light. Got a better mount for that. Then we come into my spider plant. It is really starting to take off. I got a whole bunch of extenders from it, so we can make more baby spider plants. And we come over here to my fern, still looking pretty good. And now finally my watermelon, if you look at my other videos, was struggling. I accidentally almost cut the stem, and I shaved the stem, and it really looked bad. But as you can see, it's starting to flower. I hope I got time. Maybe we can get a watermelon or two. And that's my other tomato plant that was attacked by hornworms too, and it's coming back. So as we go outside to the backyard, we have our other tomato plants, if they have tomatoes. We also have my nice cantaloupe, is still growing pretty good. It's almost done, I would say another couple of weeks. We have my pepper plants still full of peppers. We harvested more peppers off of them. And my other tomato plants, so they're growing nicely. Then as we come around back, my granddaughter's zinnias, lettuce, and my cucumber plant, which was attacked by sap-sucking flies, and I've been spraying it now with neem oil and detergent. So hopefully that'll help it. There's one cucumber growing. I wanted to show my strawberries. They're really coming along. So I'm looking forward to them, and there's some more strawberries and more peppers. And my beans that we harvested, and my squash finally starting to turn orange. My raspberry with new growth is starting to produce raspberry full bearing. And I got my blueberries dormant and my blackberries dormant. So that's a quick tour of the backyard. As we walk around front, I did want to show you the flowers in the front has just taken off, and and this is a fertilizing month, or should I say week, and the next week I'll start fertilizing some of these. As you can see, the geraniums, petunias, my begonias, and this is my black prince now. If you look at my past videos, when I first got it, it was like 2 feet tall, is that. And we got our geraniums, our daisy and our zinnias in the back, another daisy, and petunias. So I just wanted to do a 2-week update on everything. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, I would love to hear them. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.